Welcome back to MotorVibes. Today we're exploring the top 6 affordable cruiser motorcycles of 2024. Let's dive in and discover which of these bikes might be your perfect ride. Number 6. Honda Rebel 300. The Honda Rebel 300 is an excellent choice for new riders seeking a stylish and affordable cruiser. It's powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, producing 27 horsepower and 27 of torque. While not the most powerful, it provides smooth and manageable performance, ideal for building confidence. The Rebel 300's handling is nimble and predictable, thanks to its light 166 kg wet weight and short 1,488mm wheelbase. The 41mm telescopic fork and twin rear shocks provide a comfortable ride, though they can feel firm over larger bumps. The low seat height of 690mm makes it accessible to riders of various heights. Braking is handled by a single 296mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc. ABS is available as an option, which we recommend for added safety. Fuel efficiency is impressive, often exceeding 70 mpg. Key features include LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and a slipper clutch. Priced at $4,849, the Honda Rebel 300 offers great value for money. Its combination, stylish design, comfortable ergonomics, and reliable performance makes it an attractive option for new riders or those looking for an easy-to-handle cruiser for urban environments. Number 5. Kawasaki Eliminator. The Kawasaki Eliminator revives a classic nameplate with a modern twist. It's powered by a 451cc parallel twin engine, producing 45 horsepower and 43 of torque. This configuration provides a good balance of low-end grunt and high-rev performance, suitable for both city riding and highway cruising. Handling is impressive thanks to its relatively light 214 kg wet weight and well-tuned suspension. The 41mm telescopic forks and horizontal link monoshock with adjustable preload offer a comfortable ride while maintaining good cornering ability. The low seat height of 735mm and a wheelbase of 1,520mm contribute to easy maneuverability and stability. Braking is handled by a 310mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS. Fuel efficiency is good, averaging around 65 mpg. Key features include full LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, and an assist and slipper clutch. Priced at $6,999, the Kawasaki Eliminator offers a modern take on the classic cruiser formula. Its blend of comfortable ergonomics, capable performance, and up-to-date features make it an attractive option for both new and experienced riders. Number 4. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a compact cruiser that brings retro charm to the entry-level segment. It's powered by a 349cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing 20.2 horsepower and 27 of torque. While modest, these figures are well-suited for urban cruising and light touring. The Hunter 350 excels in city riding, with its short 1,370mm wheelbase and light 181 kg wet weight, contributing to excellent maneuverability. The suspension, consisting of 41mm telescopic forks and twin-tube emulsion shock absorbers, provides a comfortable ride over most urban surfaces. Braking is handled by a 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc, both with ABS. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, often exceeding 70 mpg. Key features include a semi-digital instrument cluster with a fuel gauge and gear position indicator, LED tail lamps, and a USB charging port. With a seat height of 800 mm and an upright riding position, the Hunter 350 is accessible to a wide range of riders. Priced at $3,749, it offers an affordable entry point into the world of cruisers, combining classic styling with modern reliability and efficiency. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out with its sporty performance and modern design. Its 649cc parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Ninja 650, delivers 61 horsepower and 63 of torque. This results in a more rev-happy character compared to traditional cruisers, offering a unique blend of cruiser comfort and sport bike performance. Handling is a strong suit thanks to its lightweight chassis and sporty geometry. The 41mm telescopic fork and offset laydown single shock with adjustable preload provide a good balance between comfort and sportiness. With a wheelbase of 1,575mm and an adjustable seat height starting at 705mm, the Vulcan S caters to a wide range of rider sizes. Braking performance is impressive, with a 300mm front disc and 250mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS. Fuel efficiency is good, averaging around 55 mpg. Key features include Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system for customizable ergonomics, a modern digital instrument cluster, and a slip and assist clutch. Priced at $7,349, the Kawasaki Vulcan S offers a unique proposition in the cruiser market, appealing to riders who want cruiser style with a sporty edge. Number 2. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom is a classic cruiser known for its reliability and simplicity. It's powered by a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing 44.9 horsepower and 65 of torque. While not the most powerful in its class, the engine delivers strong, low-end and mid-range power, perfect for relaxed cruising. Handling is predictable and stable, with 41mm front forks and dual rear shocks featuring 5-position preload adjustability. The low seat height of 655mm and a wheelbase of 1,640mm contribute to excellent low-speed maneuverability, making it ideal for shorter riders. Braking is provided by a single 296mm front disc and a 180mm rear drum brake. While effective, the lack of ABS might be a concern for some riders. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, often exceeding 56 mpg. Key features include a shaft final drive for low maintenance, a comfortable wide seat, and a large front wheel for improved stability. The simple, easy-to-read instrument cluster adds to its no-frills appeal. Priced at $7,899, the Honda Shadow Phantom offers reliable performance and classic cruiser styling at a reasonable price point. It's an excellent choice for riders who appreciate simplicity and timeless design. Number 1. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 blends classic styling with modern performance. Its heart is a 648cc parallel twin engine, delivering 47 horsepower and 52 of torque. This power plant provides smooth acceleration and ample grunt for both city riding and highway cruising. The bike's handling is well balanced, thanks to its 41mm telescopic forks and twin rear shocks. With a wheelbase of 1,413mm and a seat height of 790mm, it offers stability and easy maneuverability. Braking is handled by a 320mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS for enhanced safety. Fuel efficiency is impressive, averaging 70 to 75 mpg. Key features include LED lighting, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and a USB charging port. The slipper clutch is a nice touch, reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Priced at $6,999, the Shotgun 650 offers excellent value, combining retro charm with modern performance and features. Its comfortable riding position and torquey engine make it suitable for both short commutes and longer journeys. That wraps up. Remember to always ride safely and within your limits. For more in-depth reviews and motorcycle insights, keep tuning into MotorVibes. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.